In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete faces in Blender without removing edges or vertices. If you've ever needed to hollow out part of a mesh, create openings, or prepare a model for retopology, this approach lets you remove only the surfaces you don't want while keeping the underlying structure intact. First, make sure you're in edit mode, because face deletion only affects mesh components when you're editing the object. You can toggle between object mode and edit mode using the menu in the top left of the 3D viewport or by pressing the tab key. When you see the mesh's vertices, edges, and faces highlighted, you're in the right place. Next, switch your selection mode to face select. This mode targets entire polygonal faces instead of individual points or edges. The quickest shortcut is the number 3 on your keyboard, or you can click the face select icon in the header next to vertex and edge select. You'll notice the selection dots appear in the center of each face, confirming you're now selecting faces. Now choose the faces you want to remove. Click to select a single face, shift-click to add or remove faces from your selection, or use tools like box select or circle select if you're grabbing a larger area. Orbit the view to double-check you're selecting exactly what you expect. It's easy to accidentally grab hidden faces, so feel free to use X-ray view or isolate the object if needed. With your target faces selected, bring up the delete options by pressing X or the delete key. This opens a small menu with several choices. Since we want to remove only the faces while preserving the existing edges and vertices, choose Faces. Blender immediately removes the selected surfaces, leaving the bordering edges and the connected vertices behind. You'll see openings where the faces used to be, but your mesh's framework is still present, which is perfect for adding new geometry later or keeping hard surface outlines. A quick tip: if the result looks unexpected, confirm you were in face select before deleting. Deleting while in vertex or edge mode can remove more than intended. Also, remember that leaving edges and vertices is intentional here. It helps maintain shape references and makes bridging or filling holes easier afterward. That's all there is to it. Enter edit mode, switch to face select, select what you want gone, press X and choose faces. You'll get precise control over your mesh without destroying the structure you want to keep.